17th of August today, let me ask you something. How many of you feel special today? How many of you were looking forward to this day since the past week and getting excited? Well, as a teenager myself, I wouldn't hesitate to say that I didn't give it much thought myself. If we had school regular classes today, we would have had the usual ceremonies such as flag hoisting, singing the national anthem, and many more fun celebrations on the agenda. But unfortunately, since owing to the lockdown period we are living in, this has become a virtual celebration. Our struggle for independence has been the biggest movement in the history of India, in which a myriad of leaders played vital roles at various stages for the independence of our country. It was a long, drawn-out process that we finally won. The unity of the masses and the integrity of our leaders came in line with the conviction to an entire nation. This was the secret behind the struggle of our independence. On the 74th Independence Day, the writing on the wall is loud and clear. If we all stand united as one, despite our pluralities in faith, religion, class, caste differences, there is nothing we cannot achieve. Jai Hind.
Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Good evening to everyone. I, Sarah Kuriakos, is going to deliver a speech on views about India and its leaders as a teenager. August 1947 was the month India became independent. Since then, it has become a month of great significance as we annually celebrate the country's Independence Day. This kindles in every one of us the hope of reformation and a sense of patriotic pride in belonging to this great nation which has secured freedom and independence from foreign domination. We are in the 21st century, and today we have the freedom to speak and walk without any restrictions or rules. We feel pleased when thought of freedom that we experience. Some of us may wonder what was the role of freedom fighters in attaining freedom? Let me tell you, we can't even imagine what freedom feels like without them. This feeling of contentment is the result of the sacrifices done by our freedom fighters like Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, and a lot more. They are considered as a symbol of patriotism and bravery. On this special day, let us remember our heroes and what the important role they played in the freedom of our independence. The youth of our country has the power to change the nation. By means, someone rightly said that the future hinges on the young generation. Hence, it becomes our duty to serve the nation and make every possible effort to make our country better. We teenagers have very distinct opinions on almost all subjects. Thus, the same characteristic applies to our views on future India. The people who make borders in the name of religion, caste, color, gender, etc. have the administration scenario. Independence Day suggests reclamation of unity and brotherhood and speak against people who build barriers. Today, we cherish the ones who made our independence possible. Freedom is hard to get, but we were blessed to have it. Let's appreciate everything we have and celebrate our freedom. Here's wishing your dreams of a new tomorrow come true. Now and always, Happy Independence Day to everyone out there. Thank you.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, पहुँचू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद में रहे तो, पहुँचू मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद में रहे तो, ये वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तो, ये वतन मेरे वतन, ये वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन। ओ रांझनवे तेरे सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तकता, ये तेरी ज़मीन तेरे खोने से ही तो सरते संवरती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क के मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी मैं मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी खेतों मैं लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। आई मेरी ज़मीन महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क रहे, पीका न पर कभी रंग तेरा, किस मुझ से निकल के खून कहे।
A beloved APJ Abdul Kalam sir, who needs no introduction, once said, and I quote, "You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future." I believe as a nation, every one of us are capable of bringing about change. A small change in our daily lives will result in a bigger picture to restore India to its former and most magnificent glory. And the same wise man also said, without your involvement, you cannot succeed. With your involvement, you cannot fail. One day, India too will be self-reliant. If we as a nation work for it as we have over and over again proven our efficiency and resilience as a strong-willed and beautiful country, this too is to be seen as one of those opportunities. We have heard this many times, but now more than ever it applies. United we stand, divided we fall. Jai Hind.
everybody a very happy Independence Day. The young minds of this generation are without blinkers. We know what we want, demand what we need, and don't see a wrong for a right. There's a falsely perceived notion that teenagers these days don't pay heed to our country's root and or our independence. The people of today's nation who have only heard or read about the glorious tales of struggle for India's fight for freedom simply cannot feel the same sentiments as those who have lived through the pro-independence era and struggle for freedom themselves. There will always be a handful who would take the immense struggle our ancestors took for this country's independence for granted. Nonetheless, today's young youth do value India's freedom to a much greater extent than what they are credited to. It is likely that teenagers, us being us, may feel strongly for these important notions, but are not very keen on opening up about the same. The one common ground upon which every teenager in this nation bonds about is their nationality. Beyond any doubt, the teenager or youth today are quite aware of their rights and constantly are fighting for the better tomorrow, for themselves and hence for the country. Statistics from over the years show that 76% of young adults are proud of being an Indian despite its needs to be developed. The youth today demands improvising some of the age-old systems of this nation and is constantly pushing the boundaries of societal standards. They are the ones who are going to shape India's future, and their point of views should be taken seriously. It is a fact that there will always be a portion of the youth who wouldn't be bothered to make themselves aware on the current state of our nation. Regardless, stereotype and generalizing today's teenagers as the not-so-concerned lot is an idea that must be meditated. Reminding you the wise words of APJ Abdul Kalam, I believe in two kinds of people, the youth and the experience. Please do remember. Jai Hind.